In this video, I'm going to explain to you the idea of a mass tone and an undertone. So what you see me doing here is I'm just very lightly spreading that paint out that I just put down, and very minimally. So what you see then is the mass tone. Now, next to that, I'm going to spread that out, and I'm going to show you how now the color begins to look lighter and brighter, because as you spread it out and it becomes thinner, now you're seeing what we call the undertone of the color. So this little movement, then I'm putting just a smidgen more of that darker color straight out of the tube, so that you can see the difference a little more clearly between the mass tone and the undertone. Now I'm adding some water and thinning it out just a tad bit. And you can see how the color becomes more and more transparent. This color that I just laid down is a phthalo. The first color was an ultramarine. And so a phthalo has a different lean to it, and we'll discuss that later. But I'm spreading it out so you can see the difference. It's even more dramatic than the ultramarine blue. So then when I add water, it becomes even lighter and brighter. It's important to know both the mass tone and the undertone of your colors. So here I'm going to do it with some violets. Now this violet, you can see clearly, its lean is towards the red. It's a red violet. The second violet that I'm putting down is a blue violet. And so as you spread them around, you can see the undertone, and you can see the difference between the blue violet and the red violet. Every color on your palette has an undertone and a mass tone, and it also has a lean in one direction or the other. We'll discuss that in the next video.